Good day, Sir Madon. I am Carlans L. Abitan from grade 11 Studio 2, and today we are discussing about branches of the Philippine government. A democratic system like that of the Philippine governance is structured into the three distinct branches: the legislative, executive, and judicial branches. Each branch plays a crucial role in maintaining a system of checks and balances, ensuring no single branch accumulates excessive power and promoting accountability and fairness. Legislative. The legislative branch is responsible for making laws. Its primary function is carried out by a bicameral legislature. Executive. The executive branch is responsible for enforcing and administrating laws. It is headed by the head of the state, such as a president or prime minister, and includes various departments and agencies that implement government and policies. Judicial. The judicial branch is responsible for interpreting laws and ensuring this constitutionally. It consists of a system of court headed by the Supreme Court or equivalent highest court and a network of lower courts. Check and balances. The concept of checks and balances ensures that no single branch becomes too powerful. Each branch has the ability to limit the power of the other branches, thereby safeguarding against tyranny and ensuring a fair and just system of governance. Additional. They are essential component of democratic governance designed to prevent any branch from becoming too powerful and to ensure accountability. Summary of checks and balances. These checks and balances ensure that no single branch of the government can exceed the constitutional authority or without accountability. They promote cooperation and negotiation between branches while safeguarding against potential abuses of power. This system is integral to maintaining the rule of law and protecting individual rights within a democratic framework. In summary, checks and balances are mechanisms designed to ensure that the power is distributed across different branches of government, each with its distinct roles and responsibilities, thereby preventing tyranny and promoting a balanced system of governance. Introduction before the example. In the Philippines, the three branches of government, executive, legislative, and judicial, work together through a system of checks and balances to ensure accountability, uphold the rule of law, and protect the rights of citizens. Your Honor, ladies and gentlemen, ngayong araw ating pakinggan si Mr. Caberte na may kasong slander na kinabibilangan ng Republic Act 10951, Section 94 o slander. Handa na ba ang depensa? Magandang araw sa lahat. I'm President Marcos. Bilang presidente, nais kong malaman kung ano ang katotohanan na tanging katotohanan lamang ang gusto ko na marinig sa bawat salaysay na inyong ipapahayag upang malaman ang sino mang nasasakdal. Magandang araw sa lahat, lalo't na sa pinakamamahal nating Presidente, Mr. Marcos. Ngayon, nandito tayo sa Supreme Court upang talakayin ang kaso ni Mr. Caberte sa kasong slander na kanyang kinakaharap. Through these interactions, the Philippine government maintained a balance of power among its branches, fostering transparency, accountability, and effective governance for its citizens. Reflecting on the branches of government, it is clear they each play crucial roles in maintaining a balanced and effective system of governance. Additional, the separation of powers and system of checks and balances among these branches are fundamental to preventing abuses of power and promoting accountability. Each branch, the independence is vital for safeguarding democracy, protecting individual rights, and fostering a fair and just society. Effective collaboration and respect for each other branch rule are essential for maintaining stability and ensuring that the government serves the best interests of its citizens.
way. The branches of government and legislative, executive, and judicial form the foundation of democratic governments with distinct rules and a system of checks and balances. Each branch ensures no concentration of power, contributing to a balanced government. The legislative branch makes laws representing the people and oversees executive actions. In contrast, the executive branch implements laws, manages government operations, and handles foreign affairs. The judicial branch interprets laws and ensures their alignment with the Constitution and resolves legal disputes impartially. These rules are enshrined in constitutional frameworks and democratic countries, safeguarding rights and fostering their governance. Their interactions shape policies, influence societal directions, and their interactions shape policies, influence the societal directions, and maintain government accountability. Understanding these rules empowers citizens to participate in democracy, influencing decisions and holding government accountable for its actions.